Hi, today I'm making a fresh peach tart. I recently returned from Savannah and saw this fresh fruit tart and thought I'd try to make it at home. So we're going to begin with puff pastry, 2 peaches, 1 lemon, 3 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I also have 1 egg for an egg wash so I can brush the pastry. So we'll go ahead and make sure our puff pastry is defrosted. Set that aside, and I'm going to use my peaches. I'm not going to peel them, and go ahead and slice those up into 1/4 inch thick slices. I've set those aside, and I'm going to just go ahead and press out my crust and add a teaspoon of sugar to the crust. I'm also going to use a fork to go ahead and perforate the crust because it's going to be flat, and we want to make sure that it can breathe. And I have set that crust aside, and returning to the peaches, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and I'm adding those to the peaches, as well as 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. And I'm going to combine that because we want to be well coated. And again, once it's all mixed together and it looks like it's very well coated, we're going to go ahead and then add each of the peaches to the prepared crust. Okay. So I'll let you take a look while I lay the peaches in this particular format. You can place them on the prepared crust any kind of way you want. So it's really up to you. Once all the peaches are on the crust, I'm going to go ahead and take that 1 egg and create an egg wash and baste the sides of the peach tart, and then place it in an oven at 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes until the peaches are done and the crust is nice and golden brown. I have taken this out, and I'm only letting it rest for 1 minute or two because I want to serve it hot. And I have added powdered sugar to the edges. And you want to cut into squares, and you definitely want to serve this warm. And it goes perfectly with by itself, or you can add ice cream of your choice with it. But that is my fresh peach tart. Enjoy.